This is the oldest tree in the world. It's 5,000 years old. It's in the mountains of northern Italy, and it's so old that when it was born, the Egyptian pyramids were already 1,000 years old. But look at its trunk. It doesn't look like a tree trunk. It looks like a giant sheet of plywood. All those layers, they're not leaves or scars. They're rings. And each ring tells the story of 1 year in the life of the tree. Light wood forms in the spring. That's when the tree starts growing new leaves and needs lots of energy. So it makes light-colored, soft wood. The cells are big and they have lots of water in them. And then in the summer, the weather gets hot and dry. The tree doesn't need as much water, so it makes darker-colored, tougher wood. The cells are smaller and packed more tightly together. If there's a lot of rain, the tree grows wide and the rings are wide. If there's not much rain, the tree grows thin and the rings are thin. If there's a big storm, the tree can be blown over and the rings will show a big gap where it wasn't growing. You can even tell what the climate was like thousands of years ago by looking at tree rings. In the 1960s, scientists started a project called the International Tree Ring Dating Project. They collected samples from all over the world, from trees that were thousands of years old. By studying the rings, they learned that from about 1000 BC to 1000 AD, the average temperature in Europe was about 1 degree Celsius higher than it is now. And they learned that there was almost no drought in the Amazon until the 1800s. So if you want to know more about the past, you can start with a tree. You can visit the International Tree Ring Database online. You can search for trees by species, by age, even by location. Pick your tree and it'll tell you all its secrets. That's all for now. See you next time.